Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new item to the Invoice Maker application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the invoices button down below in the left side corner of the screen and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner, and then tap on the third button, items. After that, click on the plus icon down below in the right side corner, type in the item name and then add an item description. As you scroll down, you can also set the price per unit. The unit can be set such as hour, PC, LB, gal, kilogram, and so on. And you can also add the text if you want to. If you are done with adding all these information, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.